All right, so this is so far where we're at. I welded this chain on the end, and this is what fits over the ball on the receiver. I've got my offset and the trailer tongue like I was hoping for. So that means when it's in this orientation, it can be towed like a regular good old-fashioned trailer. And when you flip it over, the T-bar rails on the top edges, which are all welded down, are what chew into the gravel. Now I've run this thing a couple of times down the path, and it's made a very big difference with leveling. So I say we fire up the Deere and do a couple passes and show you what it does and how this thing works. And there's some more modifications that are coming to this thing, probably in another video, because I don't want to make these things super long. But we're gonna address those shoddy wheels and the mismatch and all that crap, because they're really just whipped together. Now, you saw I had this frame, and I've added the rails to it, and I've modified the tongue, and I've added the chain to it. That's about all I've done to it at this point, but these wheels looks like they've been stolen from a couple of different trailers. When I said I put this wheel on, I meant I literally bolted the white rim to the existing hub. That red trailer in there came with a spare, and it just so happened to be the same size as what's here now. And the other tire was even worse than this guy. So I just made do with what I had. Let's get this hooked up and I can show you how it works. So that was the rake in action, or the gravel drag. In my eyes, it actually did a pretty darn good job. And these little bumps are where I stopped pulling it, but it needs some modifications. Slight, related to the wheels, and I'm gonna get to that, but right now this is a pretty good surface to be rolled. It's just about at that stage, so it's certainly smoother than when I laid it out with the backhoe, but that has its limitations. You know, this certainly is an improvement, so I think I'm gonna work on it a little bit more, and like I said earlier on, you'll see that one probably in the next video. I still have to deal with this blown tire, or the slow leak on the tire, but one day at a time. So thanks folks for watching, and we'll see you on the next round.